Hi, my name is Raquel. I'm a part of Rosewood Mayakoba. I'm in charge from all the sustainability programs. And today I'm going to talk to you about the best activities that you can do with your flowers that you have at home. In these days, you can take care of your flowers so they are going to run up very beautiful, and it's going to be very easy. The only thing that you have to do is to put some water, like 1 day or 2 days per week, and you have to talk to them. Believe me, if you talk to them, they are going to run up very nice, and you have a very beautiful flower at home. To have remember, all the plants is not only for decor. It is very important to have a very clear air at home. So, and one of them is the flowers.